What's the weather like today?
It's a little bit cloudy.
How was your day at work?
It was pretty busy, but good.
Do you know what time the library closes?
I think it's 8 p.m.
What's your favorite type of music?
I really like indie rock.
Have you tried the new coffee shop?
Not yet, but I want to.
What are you doing this evening?
Just staying in and relaxing.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
You should try the new Italian place downtown.
How do you get to work?
I usually take the bus.
Is it cold outside?
It's a little chilly.
Is the post office still open?
I think it closes at 5 p.m.
What's for breakfast?
I made some scrambled eggs.
Have you seen my phone?
I think it's on the kitchen counter.
What's the best time to call you?
Anytime after 6 p.m. is good.
Did you have a good night's sleep?
I did, thanks.
What's your plan for the week?
Just catching up on some errands.
Are you getting tired?
A little bit, yeah.
What time is the game?
It starts at 7 p.m.
Can you believe this weather?
I know, it's beautiful.
Did you remember the groceries?
Almost forgot. Thanks for the reminder.
How do I get to the airport?
Take a left at the next light.
What's the occasion?
It's my mom's birthday.
Have you seen my keys?
I think they're on the table.
What's the score?
It's tied, 1-1.
Did you hear back from them?
Not yet.
What's for dessert?
I made some cookies.
How was the movie?
It was really good. I liked the plot.
Can I borrow this?
Sure, go ahead.
What are you reading?
A historical fiction book.
Are you excited?
So excited.
What's wrong?
Nothing, just a little tired.
How did you learn to do that?
I watched a bunch of videos online.
Do you mind if I open the window?
Not at all, go for it.
What's the password for this?
I think it's password 123.
How long have you been waiting?
About 15 minutes.
Did you find it?
Yes, thank you.
Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the usual spot.
What's the most important thing?
Staying healthy.
Do you know what time they close?
Around 9 p.m.
How's your family?
They're all doing well.
What's your plan for vacation?
I'm going to the beach.
Can you call me back later?
I will, for sure.
What are you thinking about?
Just thinking about my to-do list.
Have you ever tried this before?
No, first time.
Are you still coming over?
Yes, I'm on my way now.
How long have you lived here?
For about 5 years now.
Did you find what you were looking for?
Yes, thank you for your help.
What's on the agenda for today?
Just a few errands.
Are you almost ready?
Just putting on my shoes.
How much does this cost?
It's $15.99.
Can you turn the volume up a little?
Sure, is this better?
Did you get a haircut?
Yes, do you like it?
What time did you get home?
Around midnight.
Is it raining outside?
No, but it looks like it might.
What are you listening to?
A new album.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I really enjoy action films.
Can you describe what happened?
There was a small car accident.
How are you feeling today?
A bit under the weather, to be honest.
What's your favorite season?
Definitely autumn.
Are you getting enough sleep?
Not really. I've been staying up late.
What are you cooking?
Just a simple pasta dish.
Did you receive the package?
Yes, it arrived this morning.
What's your job?
I work as a graphic designer.
Are you from around here?
No, I'm just visiting.
Do you need a hand with that?
I'm all set, thanks.
How did you learn how to do that?
I watched a few videos online.
What are your hobbies?
I like to paint and go hiking.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, it was a lot of fun.
What's your favorite type of food?
I love Italian food.
How long will the project take?
About 2 more days.
Are you getting ready to go?
Almost, just need my keys.
What's the best way to get there?
Taking the bus is easiest.
How was your day?
It was a little bit hectic.
Can I get you something to drink?
I'm good, thank you.
Did you finish the report?
Not yet, still working on it.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's a starry night 22 and 85.
Are you free this weekend?
I am. What did you have in mind?
What should we watch?
Let's see what's on tonight.
Is everything okay?
Everything's fine. Thanks for asking.
What's your favorite movie?
I really like that The Matrix.
Have you eaten yet?
I just had a snack.
What's the temperature outside?
It's around 68 degrees.
Can I get you anything?
Just a cup of coffee, please.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did. I'll reply soon.
What time are we meeting?
Around 7 p.m.
How did the meeting go?
It was very productive.
Do you need a ride?
That would be great, thanks.
What kind of music do you like?
I'm into classic rock.
Can you turn the volume down?
Oh, sorry, of course.